was reading a book on the couch. Veena, her younger sister, woke up from her nap. She came to her sister asking for Mom. Veena hugged her and said, "Mommy will be back soon." They started playing with remote trains and tracks. Veena felt hungry.
Uncle, I am hungry.
At that time, Reena gave her watermelon and grapes.
Veena, this is what Mom told us to eat today. Come, let's eat and play. Uncle, I don't want fruit. I want chips.
Reena thinks of a smart way to make Veena eat fruits.
Hey, wait. How about art with fruits? Would you like to try? Art with fruits? That's just fun. What shall we make?
Veena saw the train engine on the floor and the idea sparked to make a train out of fruits.
It is. Come on, let's get started.
Watermelon has more lycopene than most of the fruits that helps in preventing cancer by destroying the free radicals and in lowering the blood pressure. Do you know one papaya has 3 times the daily dose of vitamin C and 30% of daily dose of vitamin A? Also, an unripe papaya has the enzyme called papain, which is used as a meat tenderizer and also used to produce the dietary supplements and chewing gums. Grapes helps in minimizing the risk of heart attacks because they increase the level of nitric acid in the blood, which prevents blood clots. Also, grapes are used to help cure asthma, indigestion, migraine, kidney disease and fatigue.
Get to watch interesting videos like this by subscribing our channel, and don't forget to like and share.